Here's some tea. There's your tea. Oh, you want some tea in there? There she go. There's Link's tea. Are you having some tea, Link? Uh-oh. I think there might be some tea in there. Look at your little pink cup. I think there's some tea right here. You want me to load them up?
Yeah, go!
Say tea, please.
Happy.
You happy? Can you say tea, please?
Happy, please.
Oh, that's a good boy. You want some tea, Lily? Good job. You want some more tea? Here, Lily, let me give you some more tea. Ready? You want some more tea? Put your cup down. Set it down. You want some more tea, Lee? What do you say? What do you say? You want more tea? Can you say please? Do you want more tea? More. Please. That's a good boy.